Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. I have gotten my Felicity Jane subscription kit for the month of August. So before I wait forever or next month to share the unboxing, I decided that why don't I go ahead and do it now. And so this is the kit for the month of August. So let me put everything out and show you guys what we received. Oh my gosh, so many goodies. Honestly, I've told you guys this before, and the company doesn't pay me anything to say this to you. I am purchasing these items by myself. I absolutely love this kit. Like, I am in love with the subscription kit from this company because it's just such good quality, and I feel like this is definitely me. It's definitely me because I like to scrapbook and I like to receive the big paper so that I could determine whether I want to use it for a 12 by 12, if I want to use it for like my 6 by 8 scrap therapy book, or just for, honestly, you can convert this into any project. And so I really love this kit. So this is the leftover. I just wanted to show you there's nothing else. I'm gonna save the ribbon, save the tissue paper, and I'll probably stick this into something else. And for now, I'll probably save the box as well. I like to use the box because if you're sending like leftover kids to a crafty friend, it's the perfect size to put your 12 by 12 paper without getting damaged. So this month, the kit is called Tori, and Tori looks like is celebrating her birthday. So we are going to show her. That's what she looks like. And let me show you what you get. And you know, another thing that I like is that every month it's not the same stuff. Like this month, you actually get this little notebook. Like, what? It's the first kit that I see that you get a notebook, because all the other kits have not had that. So it's all blank pages, which honestly, I think these are perfect for my daughter because she's big into drawing, and she is always trying to steal my blank paper to use. So I think, honestly, I'm gonna pass this on. I think she'll love it. So she'll love it more. So I'm gonna pass that along to her and ask her if she wants it. And this was, it says there, a free gift with the kids. So super nice, thank you. I'm sure she's gonna love it. This is Tori, and she's wearing a Kindness Matters. Yes, it does. A 3x4 journaling card, and you also get the birthday sale, which I'm sure you can cover that. I don't know, find a way, or maybe cut out the little cake and use it as a cutout. So you have those two pieces, and then you have the Tori stamp set, which again is everything that has to do with birthdays, which honestly is freaking perfect because, let me bring my photo box back over here. You guys know that this is what I'm working with. This is my project. Let me show you. Okay, so this is a birthday. This is a birthday. This is my dad's birthday. This is whose birthday? Adriana's birthday. Adriana's birthday. Adriana's birthday. Little Mike's birthday. Little Mike's 10th birthday. What is this? Little Mike's 15th birthday. And look, we didn't have a 1 and a 5, so we put all the candles together to add to 15. I know, kind of dumb, but yeah, this was definitely his 15th birthday, as you can see. So And that was it. So all of these right here, this chunk of pictures, is nothing but birthdays that I have yet to scrapbook. So this kit is like perfect for that. And I'm gonna be sharing, I'll probably share a scrapbook layout with maybe some pocket pages. So definitely the stamp set is gonna come in handy for that. Well, everything is gonna come in handy for that. You get some epoxy dots, super pretty. Then you get the puffy stickers with the bows and just some circles and like the little labels there. And then you have the cutouts, and that's what the cutouts look like. Should I take them out to show you guys? I'll only share the bigger pieces because honestly the little ones are like, oh, they get in the, you don't need to see like absolutely everything. But hold on, before I lose anything else, just let me just get the little tags, sentiments. I guess this one's white because yeah, some celebration, like confetti, pretty flowers, pretty. This is honestly perfect for all my birthday pictures that I have to scrapbook. And then here is Tori again in her, and you know what, like let me bring my little thing over because I have told you guys that I'm saving them. Look, but I also went to Hobby Lobby and I saw, so Tori's gonna go in there, and here's another one from my previous kit. These are all my Felicity Jane girls, and here's another one. Oh, she's super gorgeous. She's super gorgeous too. And I've been hoarding them because I had a project in mind. But then I went to Hobby Lobby and I realized that Hobby Lobby have their own version of girls. Look. So I thought that these would be super perfect. And honestly, I've just been gathering them, saving them. And I think the project is long due. So I'm probably going to sit around. Somebody gifted me this one. Super pretty. So yeah, so I've just been saving all my girls for that project in mind. And since I have this stuff here, I might as well just add this little stuff in here so that I can just grab it when I need it. So yeah, definitely I feel like, and honestly I feel like the kids work the best with me because I do different things. You guys know that I like to honestly dabble in a little bit of all things paper crafting, and so I just think that these kits were like perfect for me. I wish I would have discovered them earlier, but that's okay. So I'm just going to add that there, and that was it for the die cut shapes. And then what else do we have? We have the puffy stickers, alphabet, lowercase, that teal color or mint. And then we have this, which I've never seen before, and it's honestly like big words. Sorry, this one came a little bit damaged, but it's like, I don't have to take it all out for you guys, but it's like big letters. How big are they? Let's see. 3 inches. 3 inches tall. Super skinny. And I've never seen this before in any other kit or with any other company. But you get the alphabet and with some numbers. There, kind of interesting. I wonder what ideas I can come up with this to use this. Super cool. Definitely easy for titles, for page titles. And you guys just saw all my birthday pictures that I have to work on. So that's that. These are called die cut alphabets, basically. You get 104 pieces of that. And then we have the pretty 3x4. So you have that one. Again, look at the colors, you guys. Like, the colors just go perfect for my style. Look at that. Super gorgeous. And that, and that, and that. So pretty. But you guys know, with any project, I like to still go through what I already have and pull like colors so that I could intermix, or in case I need to use more to help me for the pocket pages. So I thought that was super adorable. So you have that, and then you have the 12x12 paper pack. These are double-sided, and honestly, once I get off camera, I am gonna trim all my branding strips, because I have an idea for that as well. This is the month of August, and this is, you guys have seen, I don't waste this. I like to keep this, and I'm actually trying to save these pieces to make a different project. So I love that, or I try to save everything, you guys. So here is the floral, the confetti, stripes, spots, scallops, ooh, that's pretty, stitching, pattern, and then your solid colors, which is just a kind of like a fuchsia and a teal. And then these are double-sided, so you get the green and the coral, the chevron shapes, more stripes, black and white floral, black and white dots, grid squares, and then the heart. And I don't know, I guess I should have showed it like this so that you guys could see. So that's the floral, and then the hearts on the back, the confetti and the grid, the stripes and the dotted rows, the spots and then the flowers, the scallops and then the stripes, and then the stitching and then the chevron, and then the solid colors. So fuchsia with curl and the teal with green. And that's gonna be it for the month of August Felicity Jane unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you in the next one so that you guys can see me put together some of these pictures I have to get out the way and document and be done with them. so I hope that you guys come back. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.